good people? I hope you feel beautiful today. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, for the newcomers, karibuni sana and subscribe, like, share because that's what we do here. And to the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate. And to the returning subscribers, karibuni sana and thank you very much for the support. I really appreciate what you are doing in this great YouTube channel. So today, guys, I want us to do something brief, something helpful. So as you can see, niko na tools, niko na vitu za mjengo. So with these tools, what I want to do is, sometimes you might notice your fridge has this funny full smell, like harufu mbaya mbaya, and you might start wondering what could be the issue. So today I want to show you what the problem could be. So unaweza pata the fridge from inside it's very clean, then bado iko na harufu mbaya, and you are like, what's wrong? Like, fridge yangu imeharibika ama ni nini? No, fridge ijaharibika. So come along with me as I show you where the problem could be, because huku tuna have fun, tunasoma pia. So ukiangalia, this is my fridge. So this is my tiny fridge, in which, this is the front side, huku ndo nyuma, huku ndo side. Then kitani hivi side ya mgongo, let me switch it off kwanza. Ukizungusha hivi side ya mgongo, you will see this carpet, this area. So in this area, kuna hii plastic material. Other than the body, there is this plastic material. So what you do to this, unachukua these are zinaitwaje? Wanaume nisaidieni. Screws ama nuts? Nuts. Nuts ni easy. So hizi ni za kufungua nuts. And inakuanga like hii ni ya kuweka zenye uwezi shika like this. Hii ni ya kusaidia kunini. So unaiweka hapo. Kiweka hapo, it becomes easier ku tighten and ku loosen a nut. Hii ni hiyo kazi. Sishangai nilijulia hizi vitu wapi. So unaangalia the size of your nuts and you compare with whatever can undo that nut here. Unachukua hiyo. So mi sijui ni gani inaweza fungua hiyo nut. So I'm just going to try any yenye nini. So this part normally collects all the dirt from the fridge. Kama kuna ice cubes zime melt, kama kuna machakula zilimwagika. Sometimes ukifungua fridge unasikianga mamaji zinamwagika and some other stuff. So hizo vitu zinamwagikanga zinakuja hapa. This is like a collecting, ni kama dustbin ya fridge. Sijui inaitangwa aje, but I just came to realize it collects all the dirt, and you should keep on checking it more frequently, not to avoid that bad smell from your fridge. Sasa I'm going to check the size of these nuts. Ni try and error method. So sijui which one fits in. So I'm just going to try. So I'm just going to try. Yenye itafungua, it's fine. Just one try, and the second one it's doing it. So what a man can do, a woman can do better. Better. So mati yangu ya kwanza nimetoa. I put it aside. Ya pili. So unaona this kanini. So nilikuwa nimeitoa recently but iko na some few too much. Unaona venye ni chafu. So nilikuwa nimeitoa recently. Collect two these, like nilikuwa nimeitoa two last week. So unaona tu yenye tumeingia so far. Nilisahau kushoot that one, but it was too much hadi ilikuwa inanuka. So niko like what could be that, until nika realize kuna hii part. So this is what has been collected over the few days kutoka nioshe. So I'm going to pour this, then nioshe. So I'm going to wash this, then I let it dry, then nirudishe. So I've washed it, just wiping it dry, then I get it back to where it was. Ukifanya hivi, trust you me, you'll never find your fridge having that full smell. So my curtain is clean. I'm going to return it penye ilikuwa. So set penye ilikuwa. So guys, that is it. I hope this video will be of help. I hope this video will be of help to anyone who has been struggling with some bad smell from your fridge. Do this like every weekend, and escape all the funny smells from your fridge or anything. So guys, it's a wrap. Until next time, please remember to like. So guys, it's a wrap. Until next time, please remember to like, to share, to subscribe, and also to comment in this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. I love you.